It's me again. So, um, going through here, I cleaned out all the grease and I ended up stripping all the paint off because it's carb cleaner I used. So, going back and I'm taking off all the anodizing, where you can see it anyway, and some spots where you're not gonna see it. Back to bare aluminum, and I'm gonna polish it up. Back to bare aluminum and polish it up. So on sealing, take it you guys were talking about this is the output shaft where the bearings that you guys were talking about. So you can see, if I can focus, you can see down there right here I have an O-ring. So when the shaft is in here, focus, there we go. When the shaft is in here and this thing's completely pushed this way inside the inside here, so it sits in, you guys know it sits in there. So it sits in there, and then the O-ring right there presses up against the inner part of the shaft and the bearing race itself. So you can see where it's going to compress against. Okay, that's the outer one, and then I got another one on here that I'm going to slide back against. That side, just to hope double seal it. So on this side, I have a cone type. Well, it had a little tube coming out the end. I cut the tube off, but there's a little like a cone shape, and what that does is that sits against this inner bearing race. That's turned. So that sits against there and compresses up against this and the shaft. So, and on here, you see I have an O-ring just on the side of the snap plier. So I put cover on. Come on, go down. I know you're dry. There's no lube. Okay, so focus here. There we go. You can see where it sits. And where it's going to compress. And this one goes down on top. Obviously, it compresses down a little bit more on there. It's because this one's not squished right now. So this one's sitting there, and then the pinion goes against the rubber, and the rubber pushes against that inner part, the inner race of the bearing. So the rubber pushes up against there, and this pushes up against the rubber. So all friction parts are held together and sealed on this side and that side by a little flat rubber O-ring type thing, and then an O-ring there. You can see I got tons of O-rings. I got snap rings. I got all that stuff. Grease. So this is what I take it you guys were using is HD Moly grease, slate gray. Probably specs are like this. Now I have access to like heavy duty equipment, bulldozer, that type of stuff, excavators. So just, but if I need like super special grease, then I have to wait more than 24 hours. This is just what I can get in 24 hours. Like multi-purpose, lithium, extreme pressure, amber color, lithium, green color, polyurethane, less than 1,000 RPM, like long ground agriculture, blue, lithium, polyurethane. And then you have your general multi-purpose, reddish brown, lithium, and then this is what I have right here. I went on like the most extreme out of the greases that it could be. So we have multi-purpose extreme duty. And here's some specs for you. And I'm going through and I'm getting rid of all the anodizing. Probably gonna sandblast this part because there's so many. It's like an edge, an edge, an edge. That's gonna be a pain in the butt to get with just sanding. But we're gonna go. I'm gonna keep sanding with different, lighter and lighter and lighter until I can. We're gonna go with a mirrored finish on, the whole thing. Because I lost my black when I was cleaning the grease off. But I kind of hope this helps.